Gala Games is just about to give us an explosive move to the upside, breaking through significant key areas of resistances above the 0.02806 and above the 0.02891. And on this video I will be discussing what I'm expecting on the short term and also give you my long-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening. On the 25th of June, Gala Games gave us a high above the 0.02981. And after getting that significant high, we started a bit of a breakdown move where you can easily see that we lost support in a movement that has now given us a retracement into this red target area, which is a golden pocket. And I was able to come up with that red target area by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows that we made on the 24th of June to that high above the 0.02981. giving me a minimum pullback target area into the golden pocket between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that perfectly lies between the 0.02754 and the 0.027, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and we are now seeing a reaction of this target area. And I'm expecting that Gala Games has high chances of continuing to see higher prices break above resistance at the 0.028, flipping it back into support, maybe with a retest. And once the retest is in, we can continue seeing higher prices to the next key area of resistance above the 0.02891, and a break above that, then we can easily see Gala Games get above the 0.03 mark in the next coming hours or maybe days. That is the first possible scenario that I have in mind. We also need to have in mind that since we have not managed to break above resistance, there are chances of a rejection, and if that is the case, then I will be watching for a pullback back into this golden pocket over here, fully maximize it, maybe making one more new low before we can get another attempt to break to the upside. And if we continue heading further down, breaking out of this golden pocket to the lower side, then we need to watch for support at the 0.026. And on losing the 0.026 mark, then I will be watching for further breakdown to the 0.024 and the 0.022 in the next coming days. So that is what I'm expecting on the short term here on the Gala Games chart. Jumping to the daily chart to now give you my long-term price prediction analysis. Here on the daily chart, if I zoom out and base my analysis on the Elliot wave structures, you can easily see that last year Gala Games gave us a bear market low below the 0.01212 before we started a massive break to the upside, giving us a high this year above the 0.0872, and after getting that significant high, we started a bit of a pullback. And remember that basing my analysis on the Elliot wave structures, I'm terming this movement to the upside as an Elliot wave count 1. Then we saw a pullback in an Elliot wave count 2, and once we have the lows in place in this wave 2, we can expect a massive run up in the formation of this Elliot wave count 3, then expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5, possibly taking us to new all-time highs. So that is what I'm watching out for on the long term here on the Gala Games chart. And we also need to continue holding within this target area that I have marked on the charts, which perfectly lies between the 0.04965 and the 0.02828. Because if by any chance we lose this blue target area, there are chances that we can easily see a retest or maybe a reset of the bear market lows that we made below the 0.01212. So that is what I'm watching out for here on the Gala Games chart on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.